y'all, it's me, Mika aka Monroe XO here, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about the pony, okay? The pony is on, the pony is secured, and I am going to tell you how I did it, what I used. If you want to know what I used, just keep watching. Today's video is in partnership with divatress.com. They have, like I said, wigs, weaves, ponies, hair products, hair care. Any and everything you need is on their website for your hair. So I'll go ahead and link everything below in the description box. Now, let's go ahead and get to the fun part, the fun bit. The pony. This is Cookie. She is a drawstring ponytail and I am absolutely loving her. I love it. It just looks so natural to me. This hair kind of reminds me of kind of like crochet hair. It's not like all silky. As you can see, like it has texture to it. I've run my fingers through it because they were a lot more like stringy. I've run my fingers through it a few times to like kind of break up the curls a bit, but what y'all think? Mine is in the color 1. This is from Newborn Free. I don't know of that brand, but I do know that they've made this ponytail and I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Best part about this ponytail is it is only $8.99. Yes, $8.99. Slay every day. I feel like this can also be like thrown into like a big, ooh. This can also be thrown into like a big poof if you want. Yes, I'm liking that. I'm liking it. Anyways, today we're gonna wear the pony. We're gonna go with the pony because I've got the shoulders out, ready to slay some clavicle. Anyways, you guys, this ponytail is so cute. I keep looking at the viewfinder. Sorry about that. This ponytail is so cute, so natural feeling. I think if I ever need to touch this up, I could easily just spray some sheen on there and I'll be back in the game. But yes. What y'all think? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do you guys like a drawstring ponytail or do you like using the weave ponytail? My only thing about that is when I buy bundles, I want to use them all on my wig or my hair, my sewing. I don't always want to get extra and do it for a ponytail. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong at all. But just throw on an $8.99 ponytail and go. You crazy if you don't. You crazy. I think that's it for this video. As always, links are below in the description box. So if you see something you like, treat yourself. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Always remember to spread love, inspire others, and strive for greatness. And I'll see y'all soon. Bye.